Hello everyone and welcome to my channel H2 Combo. This is Sunny in Florida. Today I'm going to show you how to plant lemongrass. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. So let's begin. First of all, you need lemongrass roots. You can either get some from your friends or you can buy the one that they sell in the market. So here it is. I had to replant my lemongrass, so I saved some of them. And so what I did, I put them in water after I trimmed the top off, and then I just left them in water for about a couple days. Basically, you're trying to help them to establish new roots. So this one doesn't have any roots. Look at this one. You see? There's a new root. Let's look at a couple more. This one doesn't have anything. So as you can also see, before you put it in water, you want to trim the bottom, not too much. You want to leave a little bit of room so they can grow new roots. This one is really good. You can see new roots. Like I said, I soak this one in water for about maybe 3 days. You don't really have to do this. You can just stick it in the ground and keep watering. That will work too, but it may take a little bit longer. This way you help it to establish new roots, and then you stick it in the ground. So the next step is to put them in the ground. So I already planted a few of them behind me. I'll show you. So basically you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So normally I put 4, but this time I don't want the bush to be too large, so I only put 3 roots in there. I spaced them about 4 or 5 inches apart because eventually they will grow really big and there won't be any room left in between them. So I have planted several of them. Okay, let's look at this one. This one has been here for quite some time. This one didn't grow that well because the bushes on both sides kind of suffocated this one. So try not to plant them too close to each other. I left about 5 feet apart because each bush is gonna grow really big in size. It'll be about 4 feet or so. So, leave about 4 or 5 feet in between. That will be a good hedge. So I have altogether about 9 of them. So it'll take about maybe a few months to get to this size. I have another bush of lemongrass right here. This one has been here more than a few months. I say probably 4 months at least. Lemongrass is really easy to grow. Anybody can grow it. You just stick a few roots in the ground. Here's another one that is also about 3 to 4 months old. And let me show you a bigger bush. This one, that one, and also here's another one. These I need to replant because they are too big. And what happened when they are too big and too dense, let me show you. The roots kind of come up. because they're trying to expand and there's no room, they go up. Cannot really tell. So it's a good idea to use them in your cooking. That way you always suppress them from growing too large. These are about 3 months or so. So I have one right here. I started with 4 roots or 5, and 3 months later they're about this big. And then here's another one. 4 roots to start. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos to come. Until next time, stay healthy, be happy. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel H2 Combo. This is Sunny in Florida. Today I'm going to show you how to plant lemongrass. Let's get started.